What's going on, guys? My name is Blanca Moreno and today I'm going to talk about I Am Mastery Academy, and we are super excited to have you watching this video right now, and you are here to learn about two of the largest financial markets in the world and how it is that this platform has impacted the lives of over 125,000 families across the globe. You see, you're here to learn about the FOREX and the cryptocurrency markets, right? FOREX is an abbreviation for foreign exchange markets, the largest financial markets in the world, guys. Roughly $5.3 trillion a day are traded in this market 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Then you have the cryptocurrency. I'm letting you guys know right now, it's one of the most rapidly growing investments in the world. Now, who's behind I Am? Christopher Terry is known for being one of the best traders in the world, along with Alex Morton, a self-made multimillionaire in network marketing. Jason Brown and Ivan Tapia are the vice presidents of the company and those who have run this business in more than 160 countries around the world. How I Am products can help you take advantage of these markets. Step number 1, we have the I Am Academy, which is an academy with more than 100 videos in multiple languages that can teach you from the most basic to the most advanced in the Forex market. Step number 2, there is Go Live with more than 1,000 hours. You can watch traders online every day and ask anything you are wondering in the chat, right then and there when you need it. Step number 3, it's what we call copy-paste profit. With the harmonic scanner and web analyzer, there are robots that use the learning strategies of the educators to help you find the best opportunities in the market. There are other products as apps where there are traders that are analyzing the market for us, and they are sending us trade alerts to either swipe coin or swipe trade, one for cryptocurrency and one for Forex markets. And then step number 4, be able to get this platform free. Just like this is a prestigious university, we don't expect for you not to have the opportunity to earn a tuition-free scholarship here within I Am Mastery Academy. If you introduce this concept to 2 people that you trust, care, and you believe they may enjoy this thing, you can get a free membership for that month, as well as the ongoing months, as long as you have those 2 active subscribers. So, in order to get started, it's only $235 for the initial investment and $175 a month from there on out. I Am Mastery Academy gives you the opportunity to be an academy distributor, and for every service you recommend you will earn between $35 and $50 as commission. Plus, if you start helping people and create a work team, you will get $150 a month when you have 3 members. Share with 12, make $600 a month. 30 customers at $1,000 a month. 75 customers, $2,000 a month, and so on and so forth. You have heard a lot, and there is probably a number of things you want more info on. So contact me to get your question answered. This company is exploding, the market is growing, and the people are winning. It literally could be the best decision you have ever made. See you soon, guys!